Hey there, it's Rod Fishkin over at Keller Williams Realty. I wasn't sure if these things would help you, but I thought of you. Um, I know a lot of other people out there who'd like to move, but they don't have 15 or $20,000 saved up for down payment, or they're worried that their credit score is too low. And some other people also think that they can't actually compete in this crazy real estate market that we're in right now, or maybe be able to find a home in their budget. So those things don't have to stop you because I know about some programs that could actually solve these problems, such as $1,000 down payment loan, down payment assistance programs, mortgages that don't charge any fees and give you $1,000 back at closing. I know also some trusted local lenders who can provide free credit report and credit repair advice. There are also a couple of programs that I can connect you with, such as buy with cash or buy before you sell programs. There's also new construction out there that has little to no competition from other buyers. Um, so if any of those programs would help you at all, or you just want to know how they work, give me a call back or text me. I'm at 970 301 8278. Thanks.